so Mommy can see it.
And here is Mommy's
What
present.
is inside,
A
RJ?
microphone.
Wow, what's that? Microphone. You read, RJ, what's that?
Snowball Ice Black. Ta-da!
Wow.
Let's see it. What's that happen?
Like that, but understand.
That is
Something
the
in
box
there,
in the
I
box.
Now some instructions.
The box in the box, RJ.
I see the headphone.
There is.
I think.
Wow, look at that.
Oh, I see it.
Here we go.
Here we go.
Nice packaging, huh?
Yep.
Today we're unboxing.
We have a surprise for Mommy. A surprise for RJ.
Oh, what's that in there?
It's an Amazon box.
Amazon.
Ready for opening?
And also I got
Yep.
a Flintstone.
Yep. There's Amazon box. We unbox.
Okay.
What's in there, RJ? What's in there?
My PlayStation game.
Oh, PlayStation game.
PlayStation.
For RJ and for us.
Yep.
For the family.
Fortnite.
Fortnite.
For teen, I don't care about.
Hold it up so Mommy can see it.
And here is Mommy's
What
present.
is inside,
A
RJ?
microphone.
Wow, what's that? Microphone. You read, RJ, what's that?
Snowball Ice Black.
Snowball ice in
I have
black.
this.
It's in the
I
color
have
black.
this.
They call it blue.
Yeah, blue.
Snowball ice.
Snowball ice.
Plug and play USB microphone.
Yeah.
You can add some voice to YouTube videos and whatever.
Let's pop one of these.
Cool
Yeah.
sound.
Yep.
Custom condenser capsule offers crystal clear audio. It's USB cable, adjustable desktop stand. Another picture of it here. Snowball
Hey,
black
guys.
guys. Crystal clear audio for Skype, calls,
Nice here.
and Twitch streams. Create professional sounding podcasts and YouTube videos. Record instruments, vocals, and entire bands with stunning quality. Easy plug and play directly to your Mac or PC. No drivers to install. Plug and play. Simple as that.
And also, guys, I have a biggest of teddy bear. So there, I use for.
Looks like it's not open. I mean, they don't seal them. Remember we saw that?
Yeah. That is not like
It
that.
feels tight. It's not ripped. The box is
Yeah.
in good shape. This is, yeah, we did that. Cool sound. Heard
My
that?
teddy bears are popping.
Plug and play.
Also,
And everything on the back.
let's open it.
Okay, ready? Look.
And there goes my teddy bear. Ta-da! Let's see it. What's that happen?
Like that, but understand.
That is
Something
the
in
box
there,
in
I
the
think.
box.
Now some instructions.
The box in the box, RJ.
I see the headphone.
There is.
I think. Did
Wow, look at that.
Oh, I see it.
Here we go.
Here we go.
Nice packaging, huh?
Yep.
Save it in case something's wrong. And here it is.
There is Snowball.
Think a snowball. I'm throwing.
Look at
Think
that.
a snowball.
Yep, but it's a black.
It's black snow.
Look at that.
There's a
Wow.
red light indicator. Blue.
Some more?
Machine?
AC plus 4.
Okay. You want to see it, RJ? Okay, I'm going to put this on. I want it to roll. So I'm going to put it down.
Okay.
And this is the stand and the
Oh,
instructions.
there it is.
That's it.
And here is the USB.
It's the USB.
And this is the stand.
And here's my game.
It is. Look
Let's
like
go
Look how thick
across.
that is. Probably another language in here too, but
look
yeah,
up.
it's Japanese.
I cannot see.
USB, USB.
Oh yeah, it's a lot of languages. So you get the English, it's only a couple pages. Okay, here it is. English. It's only about 4 pages. Thick manual, but there's like 10 languages.
Here's my circle.
Let's put it together.
I know this.
There she is.
There you go.
Snap them all the way out. Clicks into place.
There it is.
And that's your microphone. Very simple to put together and plug and play. No software to load.
Yep.
Yep.
You done? Let's read this.
Yeah.
Congratulations on your purchase of the Snowball Ice, the fastest and easiest way to get high quality sound for recording and streaming. It's powered by custom cardioid condenser capsule. Snowball Ice delivers crystal clear audio quality that's light years ahead of your built-in computer microphone. It's even Skype certified, which guarantees great sound results no matter how or where you use it at home or the office. And the simple USB connection and plug and play operation means you don't need extra gear. Just plug it in and start recording and streaming in amazing quality. That's it.
Ta-da!
Shows a graph.
That is it.
Starting point for sound provided, how the microphone reacts in a particular application will differ depending on sound source. So, something to study. Software setup.
Here's
Whatever
a
your
hamster.
favorite software is, Audacity, you got that. GarageBand, iMovie, Skype, GoToMeeting, and name it, you name it. Snowball Ice will produce amazing results. Simply plug the mic into your Mac or PC and start down the path of the next project. No drivers required, it's that easy.
That's it.
That's it. Using Snowball Ice with PC, Windows 7, 8.1, or 10. Connect to your PC using provided USB cable. From the start menu, select control panel. From the control panel, select sound icon. On the recording tab, right click on blue Snowball Ice and select the properties. Select the level tab and select appropriate volume level. Start at midway point of the slider and adjust from there. And then over here, after unpacking, mount the microphone on the blue Snowball Ice desktop tripod stand, which we did, or on a standard boot arm or mic stand. Connect the Snowball Ice to your computer with the supplied USB cable. The LED just above the blue logo will glow red, indicating power has reached the Snowball Ice. Now you're ready. Now you can start recording and streaming in stunning audio quality.
That's it.
Yep. There it is. Podcasting, game, streaming, Skype, music.
Here's the other one.
Okay, here's the microphone. It's got a USB connector.
Yep.
This end right here goes on the USB connection at the computer. And then here's the other end for the mic. It's right here.
Ooh.
Oh, upside down. There we go. Plugged in.
Plugged in.
And this goes on the computer.
So,
Yeah.
And after we plugged it in and turned on the computer, we have a red light. So it's getting power, and it's plug and play. Simple as that.
I did.
There it is.
And that's a gift for all of us.
Yep.
Mainly RJ. That's it.
Okay.
That thing is not gonna fold out at all.
Yep.
Okay, that's it for today.
Bye, guys.
Bye-bye.